In this video, I'll be sharing my honest review of Credova Loans and whether it's really a smart way to finance your purchases. Credova is a buy now, pay later platform that lets you split purchases into smaller payments, often offering short-term, interest-free options if you pay off the balance on time. The application process is quick, approvals are usually instant, and it's convenient for shoppers who want flexible payments. However, the biggest concern comes after the promo period ends. If you don't pay in full, interest rates can skyrocket, in some cases reportedly reaching very high APRs. Some users have also said they were unclear about whether they were signing a loan or a lease agreement, which led to unexpected charges. There are mixed reviews about customer support as well, with reports of difficulty resolving billing or cancellation issues. Overall, Credova can be useful for short-term financing if you're confident you can pay off your balance quickly, but it's risky if you carry payments long-term. Always read the fine print and understand the full cost before agreeing. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.